What the hell? You almost there, man.
Yeah, I know.
It's like almost body length away. Hey, no worries. You just break your neck if you fall now.
Yeah. You know what you're doing.
I'm not really almost there, though.
Nope.
Well,
You got a
it's
couple good moves
a little ways. I lost
Almost.
a stand on there.
There you go. Look at that. You there.
Quite a lead out.
Dang. Look at that.
Quite a lead out.
Look at that. You done got it. You ain't gonna die now. All right.
Safe.
Not dead.
Game got.